This is a demonstration of the new pop-up and sound notification feature in the event viewer, which has recently been added in Netcall Omnibus Web GUI. Here is my event viewer, and I'm looking at a set of events, and as an operator I'm going to enable some notifications. So I click on this button to open my workspace preferences and move over to the Notifications tab. Now the first thing I need to do is enable notifications. Otherwise I'm not going to be notified in any way. Now the first setting I'm going to change is regarding pop-up notifications. So this will be a small pop-up message that appears at the bottom of Event Viewer when the event data is refreshed if the event data has changed and it meets the specified conditions. So I'm going to check modified and deleted. So what I'm saying there is that as an operator I want to see a pop-up message appear if when my event data is refreshed the event viewer notices that some of the events have changed, i.e. been modified, or some of the events have been deleted. And now I'm going to move on to sound notifications. So first of all I need to choose a sound which I want to be played as a notification, and I have a drop-down list of options here. These are files that exist in the sounds directory in Omnibus Web GUI, and administrators may add more sounds to that directory if they wish, and once the server's restarted then those sounds will appear in this list. So I'm going to choose the pluck sound, and when I choose it Web GUI will give me a short demo of what that sound sounds like. So I've chosen the sound, and now I need to choose the conditions under which the sound will be played. So I'm going to check on new events and on deleted events. So this is saying that when the event data is refreshed, if any new events have been inserted or any existing events have been deleted, then I want that sound to play. So I click apply and return to the event viewer. Now I'm going to go to the command line and run a tool that I've created that will help me to insert and update and delete events in order to demonstrate the notifications. So I'm on the command line. I'm going to run a script called insert, give it the name of a node, and that's going to insert a new event into my data source. And now I'm going to return to the event viewer. And when the data is refreshed in a few seconds, we should hear a sound notification. So as you could tell, my sound notification went off because a row was inserted into the data, and you can see the row appeared at the top there, and you can see the status message at the bottom. It tells me that one row was inserted. Now I'm going to return to the command line and update a row in the event list. So I'm going to run a script called update. I'm going to update the event that I created previously. Now I'm going to return to the event viewer, and what I should find now is when the data is refreshed, because I have found that one of the events has been modified, that will meet the condition for a pop-up message to appear, which will be seen at the bottom of the event viewer. So there we go, one row modified. That message appears at the bottom. Finally, I'm going to return to the command line and delete that event. Okay, so that script has now deleted my event. Now I'm going to return to the event viewer, and I might refresh manually here, or I'll have to wait too long otherwise. And what I should find now is that I'll get a sound notification and a pop-up message because I had those conditions enabled for both types of notification. So there we go, I got my sound and my pop-up message appearing because the delete matched my criteria.